Welcome back. Let's get to work on the second step of License to Dream. UVL. Now that you've got a list of your core competencies, we have the skills, passions, and resources that will eventually make your dream a reality. But finding an actual idea that you can turn into a business or a social enterprise will require you to choose from those skills, passions, or resources, focusing on up to 3 of your competencies. But how do you know which core competencies to work with? Ultimately, your chosen competencies must meet 3 criteria. This is where UVL comes into play. Each competency should be unique. We want to focus on the elements that differentiate you from others. Competencies should also provide the customer a true value. Make sure you are providing something that will truly benefit the customer or community. Finally, each item should have the ability to be leveraged. To get the most out of each competency, it should be useful in the creation of several products or services. Next, we'll place uniqueness, value, and leverage in this rating matrix. For each competency, have each member of your team select a number from 1 to 10 that they think best represents the strength of the competency. For this step, it is important to ask your team members the reasoning behind their rating. You'll be able to see where each member is coming from and discuss any conflicting answers. Let's see if you remember. What does leverage mean? You got it. At this stage, leverage refers to your ability to create several products or services based on your core competencies. Not quite. Remember, leverage at this stage refers to your ability to create several products or services based on your core competencies. During this process, you'll actually be working face-to-face with your group. Together, you'll give a group score to each core competency. The system will tally the numbers from all of your group members. From there, we'll be able to find out which core competencies are your group's best. If you're working alone, you may want to consider finding a group of friends to join your team. You may also invite friends to assist as guests by helping you rank the criteria in your matrix. Insight from outside sources can shed light on ideas you may not have considered. Now's the time to head to the My Project area and fill out your matrix. Once complete, you'll have the second step for submission complete and only 5 more steps to go. Remember, Rob Ryan is on standby in our chat room ready to answer any of your questions. See you in the next step.